Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. The federal government of Nigeria have been doing its best to stop the activities of UGM in the country, where President Muhammad Buhari's administration have not relented in its fight against insecurity. While President Muhammad Buhari's administration has not relented, however, many lives and properties have been lost due to the activities of UGM in the southeast region of the country. These UGM have caused panic and tension among citizens of the region. Nevertheless, UGM during the early hours of Saturday brought down Imo Divisional Police Headquarters situated at the Owerri West local government area of Imo State. These guys also brought down two police constables who were on duty. It was also learned that on arrival, the UGM who came with their own instruments and did a lot of disposals immediately opened fire at the divisional headquarters after blocking the road leading in and out of the station, including the one close to the local government area council headquarters. There have been various reactions after UGM did the mayhem they did at the police station in Imo State. Many Nigerians have condemned the incident, while some have prayed for the officers who lost their lives in the tragic incident. One or two commentary, and I'm going to allow you to watch the video as even the residents in that community are now living in serious fear. Everyone is understandable. Having what everyone knows what it is to have one form of insecurity or the other in their community. Well, not everyone though. Some people in similar crimes in most developed countries may not have the kind of idea that those who live in Nigeria have. Because I tell you, in Nigeria, insecurity is a daily occurrence. This one here is saying, God, when will all this end? When? I don't know, my brother. I'm also praying for it to end. This one here is saying, Imo State and Borno State, which one are safe right now? I think both of them are almost at the same level. This one here says, which one is going on? Is it UGM? Which one of them is UGM? I don't know. This is well. Let's meet in our comment section. Watch the video at the point where the residents show signs of fear. Now watch the video. Let's meet in our comment section after this. What's your take? Do have a nice time. God bless you.